Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
If you bet 1,000 euro, you get a lot back. Yeah, what did you say? What? One? Come on, let's go back to back. Wow! Come on in! Larry John got 3 flappers to the side. Let's go, sorry brother. You got green, you got red, you got blue, you got yellow. My favorite one, as always. 600X multiplier. Green, come on, don't let me down, green. Green bean, please. Please, green bean. Redemption for blue. I miss both nice. Wow. Boom! 200X for the yellow, ladies and gentlemen. Banana.
Now we're catching lots of bonuses. And Pachinko, her favorite bonus round. 7. We start with 7. Strawberry. 100, 200. Oh, yes. Come on, let's go up and now we're down. Our highest multiplier is 200. 200s. Oh, yes, baby. We have a 200X multiplier, finally. Strawberry, tell me that you're here. 1,337 winners in total. Yes. Thank you so much, Strawberry. I'm so happy that you catch it. I was afraid that you skipped Pachinko. You know, I was afraid that you don't have Pachinko. Alright, Pachinko with a 5x stops on top, guys. Thank you. Good luck, everybody, and wish you all the best of luck. We have a number 2. 600 winners in total. Okay, Strawberry, sending lots of love.
$3,251 winners of the game. Congratulations, and see you in the next round. Last scenes. How do I handle the stress? I don't know. I don't feel much stress standing here. Not much to handle, I suppose. It's more stressful if I'm having a bad day. If there's like things in my life outside of job, something, and then I gotta work as well. Then it's like extra stress and you're thinking about stuff. Oh, hey! Woo! Come on, we got it. We got it. Crazy time, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, 3 flappers, 1 choice. Pick one. Here we go. Well, mostly people going with the blue pick. 100X. Alright, well, mostly people went with the blue, and wait, it has a double. We got max multi 200X now. Oh yeah, 15 green and 10 yellow. But 200X now for the blue one. chance to win big time. Woo! That is what I'm talking about. Maximum victory, baby. 200x on the blue.
The relevant people are already working on it. 3x crazy time top slot, ladies and gentlemen. Hi from Montreal. We have Canada in the building. Come on. Yo, wait. Yo, we have a 3x top slot on that. Ah, that's crazy time. Nice. Nice. Come on, follow me. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Crazy time bonus round. First of all, we have a 3x top slot, so we will increase every multiplier on the wheel 3 times. Bang. You got 15 seconds to choose your flapper. Are you team green, team blue, or team yellow? What lands in it will be your prize. We also have a triple and a double on the wheel. If you're not sure which flapper to choose, you can let the time run out. And ladies and gentlemen, highest multiplier is 600x. Good luck! Woo!
Lost my voice. Ladies and gentlemen, cash in with a 7x multiplier. Alright, are you ready? Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, the highest multiplier is going to be here, 100x. But wait a second. Let's go and let's multiply everything by 7x. Woo! 700x the maximum. Ladies and gentlemen, you ready? Let's go. 700x is the jackpot here. The maximum multiplier. Alright, so we are sharpening everything and mixing up. And ladies and gentlemen, decision starts right now. So that is your time to pick happiness time. Where would you like to make your shot? And so there is the highest one, 7x multiplier. Last chance. If you want to make a decision out to pick, we'll do that instead of you. Anyways, decision time is closed. And let's look at where we have 700. Where is that 700 here? And 700 is right here. Almost in the center, by the way. Come on, Southerners, enjoy those winnings. 93 players got 700 and no, look at that. Come on, Southerners.
Nicely done. Copy again. Oxy as well. Echo. Can after top threes. Enjoy your time. Good luck. I will pay if you come with me. Jeez, Emmy. Spicy. I can't. Well, I can't. I got my own life over here, you know. Enjoy your time. Cash in with a 5x top spot. Trying to grow out there with a beautiful voice acting, you know. Hopefully. Oh, lovely. Look at this. I hope the base one is 500. I hope the base multiplier is 500, the highest base. So welcome to Cash in, guys, with a 5x. Nice top slot. So looks like we're gonna have a 100x, yeah. Yeah, looks like we're 100x highest and 75x as the second highest, and of course 5x. Let's not forget about that. So it's 500x highest this time, boys and girls. That's nice. That's nice. 250s, 500s, beautiful. Let's blow on a big stick. Could be behind the same thing, different thing, same place, different place. 375x, second highest, highest 500. Big time's all yours right after. What? Hemi, I have no idea what you're saying. I gotta get that in English, please. Can I get that in English? English, señor, señoritas, oh my. Enjoy your time, everybody. Good luck to you. Well, let us roll. Let's see what we can do. Let us hope for the big old money. Let's hope for the big old plus. So right now, say good luck to you all. Let us hope for 500x. We're gonna open the 500x on the right over there. Oh, congrats to your winners. Nicely done, indeed. Let's go. Cash in with a 7x top slot. Enjoy. New whole same result, kinda, maybe. I don't know. Depends on your last session. Love you, Matties. Love is a strong word, boss. Cash in. What is that, 7x? Nice. Hey, it better be 500x base. I'd like to have it base tops multiply 500x. Anyway. Last session we had a 5x cash in. This session we got a 7x. Let's see what we got. 100X. Oh, a bunch of them. Hey, yo, this is going to be nice, guys. Let's 7X on top, so 700X highest. What? There's a bunch. There's a lot of them. There's a lot of... well, let's not waste no time then. Remember, you can pick yourself, or you can auto-pick, but most importantly, it could be behind the same thing, hidden, right? Or behind a different thing, hidden, right? And same place or different place, you never know. And picking time's all yours. Auto-pick, your pick, whatever you feel like it. You know, some people get out with 100X on auto-picks. Maybe this time you're going to get out with a 700X. You know, never, maybe, sometime, I don't know. Good luck. Mississippi. Give it to us? Whoa, money come to me. Listen. The only person I'm going to give it to is my future wife. Jeez. Chillax here, hey? Hey. 700X right there. 377 winners with 700X. Nice. 4,130 winners. Nice. What do we got? Valeria as well, Jim. And of course, Crazy Super. That's about free. So Valeria, beautiful 17K. Lovely.
That would be awesome. Good luck, best of us. So, what's next? Oh, there is 3X in a crazy time. Good luck. Oh, we got it. Let's go. Crazy time with a 3X top slot. Awesome. Come on, everybody. Let's go. So we did have a 3X top slot. So choose your flapper. Blue gang, yellow gang, or green gang. Okay, let's go. Good luck. How about a double now? Okay, 45X for the yellow, 75X for the green, and blue does have a double. All right, blue team. Can we get another double? Or can we get 600X, which is the highest one? Good luck. Okay, another double for the blue team. Woohoo! Now there's 1,200X as the highest. Oh, come on. Fingers crossed, everybody. Let's go, blue team. Good luck. Boom, boom, boom. Let me hear say double. Ladies and gentlemen, it's another double for the blue. Wow. Oh, we gotta get a big one. Come on. 2,400. Come on, blue. We can do it. Oh, there's another double. What is happening? That's another double for the blue? What? That's insane. Good luck. We got what now? 6,800, yeah? That's crazy. Wow. Come on, fingers crossed. You're kidding. You are kidding. That's what? Another double? That's like how many doubles already? 5? That's crazy. I've never seen how many doubles. I have never seen how many doubles. Feel like we have 9,600 on the wheel right now for the chance for the blue flapper to get. That's crazy. Come on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 3,360X for the blue team.
same for the blue team. 3360X multiplier. Biggest win was over 305,000 euros. That is crazy. Congratulations. Wow. I feel really bad for yellow and green teams. I hope you get some big multiplier as well, team.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.